Good morning, YouTube. Desert Air / Dirt Dudes here.
That's right. We've been enjoying filming the RC cars as well as the airplanes. So that's probably what you're gonna get today. You're gonna get RC planes and RC cars.
Because why not?
Yeah, why not? We're having fun. That's all that matters.
It is.
Desert Air Dudes out. Nice job. This is what I need. A gas-powered P51. Is big too, boys. That's a big boy.
So this is an ultimate biplane. I picked this up from Charles. Just flies on a little 3S pack. It's obviously a relatively small airplane. This is not a new plane, but it is my first time flying it, so it's my maiden.
It's gonna be his maiden flight.
That's right. So this thing, since it's an ultimate, it should be able to do some really ridiculous stuff. And we're about to find out just how ridiculous. So we got, there's a jet in the air, so I'm gonna wait till he's done to fly this, but, hold on. Ultimate biplane. I love biplanes, they're just so cool. Not doing anything crazy, I'm a fan of that.
Yeah, we know you're a fan of doing crazy shit. I was gonna ask you before you land, try to do something. Otherwise, this won't make it to the cut.
Really?
I'm just kidding.
Alright, let's see if it can do a blender. Indeed it can.
Indeed it can. Okay, and I got it.
This thing weighs nothing, and that thing's going fast. He would tear this thing apart. Granted, this would damage his plane too, but...
That's what we talk about when we're flying out here, whether we're gonna run into each other or not and destroy each other's planes.
No one wants to do that, generally speaking.
Yeah, nobody wants to do that, but it happens. There he is.
Oh yeah, mine right here. Mine right there. They hurt so bad.
Needs a little bit more expo on the elevator.
Okay. This plane has vectoring, guys, if you can't see it there. I think that's pretty damn cool.
It's on this side.
You get to the top, you go to neutral and see how fast it
Kelly in the slick.
Ready?
I got you.
Once it's up, it's fine. It's like,
Was that high rates? The gear came out.
Break it again.
It came out.
I had to break it. I barely turned, dude. It must not have been on there tight enough.
What do you have to say about that?
Mistakes were made. I think the landing gear just wasn't on good enough. I didn't bolt it in right, clearly.
Well, let's go see what it looks like.
I didn't bolt it in.
On the field.
Dude, I was going a little too fast and I tried to turn and it snapped the wheels off.
Oh, damn. That sucks.
Man, now I gotta fix it again. Hey, at least you didn't break the prop this time.
You know, all things considered, that could be much worse. Those screws look a little bit short.
Well, it's an easy fix. Very easy fix.
You should present that for everybody. This is what happens when you use screws that are not big enough.
Not big enough.
It just ripped it right out.
Pan too again.
That's all right. That's all
Can
right.
you carry this?
What do I look like? You're carrying, bitch?
Yep.
I'm the carry bitch today, guys.
See the bottom. See? Easy fix.
That's not bad. Not
Just
bad.
remount it.
All things considered, could be worse.
Damn it. I guess Al's been running into the back of people too much, guys. So John put a thing on here that says owl repellent. I don't think it helped much.
Hey, Charlie,
Huh?
have you driven these RC cars? Never?
A few inches later.
Rob let me drive his RC car, so here we go. Well, standing up here is even more different. Oh, goodness, with glasses on, it's like even weirder. Wow, that is hard to keep. I don't want to break this thing. I don't want to have to buy you a new car there, man. They make this look super easy, guys. I tried driving and I didn't do very well. Very slow. I don't know about you, but I love filming this and I love watching the vehicles, the cars jump. That car ended up over there. I saw him do that, John. We got proof now. He's missing. His wheel fell off, guys. He has to stop. Yeah.
All these cars are breaking down, but
Yeah, your car's holding up too. I mean, you did just rear end one of them.
Kelly, champ,
You're the champ. Here's the champion, guys.
where's my cup? Where's the girl?
Al's the champ. He lapped them all.
What up, YouTube?
We're back.
We're done.
It's time to go home. It's like what time is it? Let's
It's
see.
like 10 o'clock.
I got here at 6 o'clock this morning. It's 9:12,
It's only 9.
and we are going home. It's getting hot.
Yeah, it's
It's
warm
that
up
time of
quick.
year. We go home early, come out early. He came out at like 7 o'clock.
Yeah, it's about that.
I called him. He's like, I'm still in the shower. So
He
we got
called
some.
me, he texted me.
We got some cars driving around today. We got some airplanes flying around. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy that.
some cool footage because we take cool footage and we like cool footage because we're awesome. Because we're
Yes.
desert air dudes.
That's right.
Hell yeah, brother.
We also want to thank all our subscribers.
Keep them
Give-
subs coming. We've got something. We're gonna do something fun when we get to 1,000.
Yeah, give us some comments in
Yes.
in the videos about
100%,
us.
yeah,
about our flying.
We like comments.
We want negative and positive. We don't care which way you go. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Desert Air Dudes out.